Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to fund your Bankroll Flow account. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, we going over Bankroll Flow, a new way to earn Bitcoin every day in 2021. And today on my channel, I want to share how to fund your Bankroll Flow account. Now, in order to fund your Bankroll Flow account, you have to buy Bitcoin, transfer it to Tron, buy Banker tokens, and then deposit it. I'm about to go through everything step by step with y'all on this video so y'all understand how to fund your Bankroll account. Now, first thing you have to do is buy Bitcoin. I like buying my Bitcoin on Coinbase. You can buy your Bitcoin on Cash App. You can buy Bitcoin on Robinhood. It's a lot of places you can buy Bitcoin. I just like using Coinbase. So after you buy your Bitcoin, right, you have to send it to what's called an atomic wallet, right? This is another Bitcoin wallet, and you send it here to buy Tron. Now, it's a lot of different ways you could buy Tron, but this is the main way I know how to buy Tron. It's by sending your Bitcoin to this Bitcoin wallet, the atomic wallet, and then exchanging that Bitcoin for Tron. As you can see, I sent 1,000 Bitcoin over here, $1,000 worth of Bitcoin over here, and I got 33,000 Tron for that, right? And that order, I believe, is just completed. Yep, I got 34,000 Tron, right? It's valued at $1,000, $1,025, right? So now that I have the Tron in my atomic wallet, the next thing I have to do is go to Bankroll Flow. Now, when you join Bankroll Flow, right, you can access this from a mobile device or a laptop, but today I'm about to teach y'all how to do it on a laptop. You have to download what's called the TronLink. Now, I'll have all of this step by step in the description so y'all can read it out if y'all need the, step by step instructions. But you have to download what's called a TronLink, right? And this is how you interact with the Bankroll network, right? That's how you interact with this website. So you download the TronLink on Google Chrome, right? And then what we're gonna do is you have to receive the Tron from the atomic wallet. So we're gonna send Tron from atomic wallet. Let me click on Tron. We're gonna send this Tron to this wallet, but we're gonna use this technique. Now, this is my main account right here. I got $400 on this account, but what I did was I created a second wallet, right? And this is something I learned. It's my loan wallet. Now we're gonna send the Tron here. We're gonna send the Tron here, and then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna refer myself basically. This account, because it's invite only, so for the buddy I'm going to add my main account, right? Because you get residual earnings from the team members you have. So I learned this trick from watching these videos. So we're going to copy that, then we're going to go to send Tron. Make sure I always copy it like at least 2 times just to make sure. All right, then we're going to send all of the Tron here. Send all the Tron to this one. Type in my passport. Now, this technique I've been seeing a lot of people do, which they have a main account, right, on Bankroll, and then they create a secondary account and they deposit on that account. And when you roll and do activity on that account, you get rewards on your main account, right? So, just a trick I'm trying. Alright, so it's sent. Go back to wallet. Okay, so let's see if we got the Tron. Yep, we got the Tron in a wallet now. Now that the Tron is in a wallet, we're gonna fund this account, right? So this is what you gotta do. Alright, you gotta go to SwapX. First, I want to hold on, let me make sure I copy my other wallet address. And then we're gonna go right here. Alright, so entered in my referral link. Let me go back to SwapX. On wallet. Now we're gonna buy 25. Wow. Oh wait, no, I forgot I gotta leave some. You gotta leave in 100 Tron, so we're just gonna say 33. $33.9. On buy, accept. Okay, now we got our BNKRX. Now that we got our BNKRX, hold on, let me go to Flow. Alright, so now we got 805 BNKRX available. We're gonna make that deposit 875. Alright, we got 875 BNKRX available. We're gonna make this deposit. And this is the second account. Deposits enabled. Approved. I'm gonna just do 875. I'm gonna just leave that little. Come on. Deposit. Alright. So we got that deposited. And this account is gonna make $10 every day. We go to APY, it's 1% for 365 days. So the max payout on this account is $3K, but we're gonna keep compounding and build this account. So when I go to my main account, let me go to my main account. When I switch to my main account, see my rewards. And then we got a new team member, and that's me. So yeah, so that's how you deposit on BNKRX or the Bankroll network. That's how you deposit your Bitcoin. I'm gonna make more videos explaining how this works. It's very simple. So make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy YON WORLD. I'm out. Peace.